Hi everyone. One of the issues that persons have been facing is finding a way to send PDFs or send documents that the students can actually write on and return to them or type on to return to them. So I'm going to show you how to do this in a Nearpod lesson. So you go to lesson in Nearpod, you go to add slide, and then you do add activity. Then you go to draw it. And before you start your lesson, before you start this process, you would have already done a screenshot of if it's the Microsoft Word document or if it's a PDF, and you upload it right here. So I've already done that. And this is mine. I'm going to put it up here. If you don't have instructions in there already, you're going to put your own instructions at the top. But if you already have it, then you don't need to do that. Okay, so this is what the slide looks like. Just for fun, I'm going to add a cover page. So I'm just going to write health and family life, or just health. And I'm going to change the background, make it look cute. So let's do an image. Put healthy habits. Let's see if we get a picture for that. Okay, and then we'll use this. Okay, so let's save that. Now I'm going to put this slide as my first slide. This is not a complete lesson. I'm just showing you how to use this. So I'm going to go use it as a student, use it as a teacher, so you can see how great it is. Tutorial number 2. Alright, so we save that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it would be like for a student when they get this. So you give them the code. You take the code. You place it in nearpod.com. Alright, and this is what they would see. And of course, now they must do the activity. So they have options. They can choose to type in here. So if they have to type here, go something like this. And they type the information in here. Okay. Oh, let's choose a color. Oh, let's do green. Do I want it big? No, I don't. Okay. 1 second. I think I'm doing it a little too high. So let's type. So I'm typing. You can see. So if you gave your students a PDF and they're typing in here, you could actually see at home what they're typing, and they can submit it. Let's see one more thing. Oh, I want to do a drawing. So let's do a drawing. Let's do a drawing. Draw 2 ways people can stay healthy. So I'm gonna draw somebody running. And then I can type if I want. I could put I could put running somewhere here. And these are all things my students have been doing, and they're in grade 1 and 2. So that should be great for the secondary school students as well. Okay, so you get the general idea. You submit, and I'm going to show you what the teacher would see. Now remember, the teacher can actually see this whilst you're doing the work, but she can also go to check it out after. So as a teacher, I go in here, I click on student paste, I would see the code that I give my student, and I would click view progress. Okay, don't worry about that. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. I clicked the wrong one. So let's go back. Okay, it should be here. I don't know how that happened a while ago, sorry. Okay, here we go. So you would see the student's book. This is what was here initially, and this is what the student has given, and I'm the student. I didn't write properly, but you get the idea. Yeah? So thank you so much for listening. I hope this helps someone. I know it will help someone if they only take the time to listen. Okay, bye.